Hello, here I am again, development head of the Gem4me messenger. And now I will tell you about a new functionality that everyone has been waiting for and that we got just a few days ago, the video conference functionality. Despite the fact that we released the functionality of group calls in the messenger almost 6 months ago, this functionality may not be suitable for all purposes. For example, to organize a business conference, the initiator of call may have necessity to control everything that happens during the meeting. That's why we have added a new type of video call, conference, and it is already available for administrators of all group chats. To start a conference, you need to open the group chat profile and click on the corresponding button to begin. After the conference starts, the administrator will have all the controls. He will be able to show his video, to share the video of his screen, and also tell something to all other users. All other users, after joining the conference, will be able to raise a hand, thus to request permission from the administrator to turn on a microphone. To do this, users should click on the corresponding button at the bottom of call control panel. When a user clicks on the Raise a Hand button, the administrator receives a notification that some user want to turn on the microphone. Also, an administrator will see an icon of Authorized Hand next to the user avatar. And that's not all. We develop and improve our calling functionality every day. And in the near future, we will delight you with further improvements in our messenger. Stay tuned and see you soon in Gem4me.